Hey guys, welcome to my new video. Samsung has recently announced its new Galaxy flagship smartphones for 2020, Galaxy S20, S20 Plus and S20 Ultra. In this video, I'll be doing an unboxing of Galaxy S20 Cosmic Grey color. If you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe and hit the thumbs up to see latest tech videos in my channel. Also, you can click over here to see all the videos of Galaxy S20 series I have made in my channel. This video is time coded. I will talk about design, display, camera and all the other aspects of this smartphone. So if you don't want to watch the entire video, you can choose your favorite topic in the time code, example camera. So let's start the unboxing and first impression of this amazing smartphone. But before I start, kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I post a new video. Now this is Cosmic Grey color with 128 GB of ROM and 8 GB of RAM. This is the 4G LTE version. So let's unbox this amazing smartphone. This is the smartphone. Let's keep it aside. Now let's see one by one what's inside the box. It comes with a super fast charger of 25 watts. In the future videos, I'll definitely test how long it takes to charge the device from 0 to 100%. This is pretty standard in 2020, the USB Type-C cable with the USB Type-C port. Samsung also provides AKG headsets with the USB Type-C cable. It also comes with extra tips if you want to share your headset with someone. A standard TPU case for the device protection, SIM ejector tool, and some paperwork. So this is all what you get right out of the box. Now let's unwrap the smartphone and boot it up for the first time. In terms of the design, this is a stunning smartphone. The beautiful smartphone also comes in blue and pink color, but I quite like the gray color. This year is all about camera, so the smartphone comes with a triple camera setup at the rear with a small camera hump. You have very subtle Samsung branding at the back. So on the side you have the power button. You have the volume up and down button. At the bottom you have the main microphone. You have USB Type-C port, also the stereo speakers. On the top you have the secondary microphone and the SIM tray. I guess this is a hybrid SIM, but let's check it out. So as you can see, this is a hybrid slot. You can use dual SIM card or one SIM card with micro SD card, and the good thing is that micro SD card can go up to 1 TB of storage. When you look at the device from the front, there is almost no bezels. So Samsung has done a great job. It truly looks a flagship device with a very minimum bezels on the side. And also Samsung has reduced the size of Infinity O notch compared to the Galaxy Note 10. The in-hand feel of this device is truly flagship. So Samsung is using aluminum frame, and on the front and the rear you have the Gorilla Glass 6 protection. The setup is done now, and this is the beautiful home screen. The screen on this device is simply beautiful. Samsung is using Dynamic AMOLED 2X touchscreen for this device. Now this is a 6.2 inch screen, very comfortable in your hand. The screen to body ratio is 89.5%, and the screen resolution Samsung is using on this device is 1440 into 3200 pixels. And this device has an incredible 563 ppi density, which is the highest among the S20 series, even higher than the S20 Ultra. You can simply enjoy HDR10 plus content on this device, and one of the most important thing about this device is the 120 Hz of display, which will make your user experience incredibly smooth. And also a small thing, but I think maybe for some people is important, that Samsung is giving you a screen protector installed right out of the box. So when you buy the device, you have time to put a glass screen protector. In terms of the screen quality, I would say Samsung is the leader in making beautiful screens on their devices. The viewing angles are good, the colors, the contrast, everything is spot on. You will really enjoy using the screen for media experience and also for gaming. Now let's also test the sound quality of this device. This device has dual stereo speakers, and it also supports Dolby Atmos. So let's play a video from No Copyright Sound and test the sound quality of this device. Let's increase the volume. Let's also enable the Dolby Atmos. I must say that I'm really impressed with the sound quality of this device. It has a very nice punchy bass, and also it's quite loud. Also, you can click over here to see my video of Galaxy S20 Ultra and Note 10 Plus, which I have done recently. In terms of sound quality, I would say you will really enjoy your media experience on this device. Let's also test the fingerprint scanner speed of this device, but I have to say that in terms of registering your fingerprint, it takes some time. It's not very fast. The fingerprint scanner speed of this device is pretty decent. I think it's very similar to how you have seen in Galaxy Note 10 series, but maybe slightly faster than that. Let's also see the face unlock speed of this device. The face unlock on this device is fast, really fast. It's much faster than the fingerprint scanner speed. Now let's talk about the performance of this device. In UAE, you get Exynos 990 7nm chipset version, but in some region you will also get the Snapdragon 865 version, and both will give you excellent performance. As you can see from the benchmark scores are really high on this device. In terms of gaming performance, PUBG runs smooth without much frame drops. The device has a 120Hz of refresh rate and it's evident in playing games. Overall, I will say it has an excellent performance, the latest chip, and 120Hz of display adds value to the performance. Now let's talk about one of the most highlighted feature of this device is camera, or should I say cameras. On the rear, it has a 12 megapixel f1.8 aperture wide-angle shooter. It also has a 64 megapixel f2.0 telephoto lens with 3x hybrid optical zoom, and it also has a 12 megapixel f2.2 ultra wide-angle camera. Now, one of the biggest feature of this smartphone, it can shoot 8K videos from the rear camera. As far as I know, I think this is the first smartphone to do that. I'm sure in future there will be a lot of manufacturers bringing this feature on their smartphones, but Samsung is the first one to do that. On the front, it has a 10 megapixel f2.2 wide-angle camera. On the front camera, you cannot shoot 8K videos, but you can definitely shoot 4K with 30 and 60 frames per second. And one of the best thing about this device, it has a Pro Video Mode feature, which is really awesome. So not only for photos, but also when you're taking video, you have the full control over your device. I think this is one of the best features on this smartphone, because in most of the smartphones, you get this feature on the photo mode. But in this smartphone, when you're shooting video also, you have all the control in your hand. You don't have to install a Filmic Pro or any other third-party application like you do in iPhones. Now let's enjoy some photos and videos taken from this device in my testing. This is a 8K video recording of Samsung Galaxy S20. I'm using a tripod because it doesn't have any stabilization on 8K. Let me know in the comments how do you find the quality. Now overall, I will say Samsung has a winner this year. The screen, the camera quality, the sound quality, the performance on this device, everything is top notch. Samsung is able to deliver on this device everything what a consumer need nowadays. High refresh rate, one of the best cameras, 8K video recording, amazing sound quality, one of the best displays. In terms of the price of this device, is costing 3,200 dirhams. For 128GB 8GB option of 4G LTE, and the 5G version will cost a little bit more higher, like 3,600 dirhams or $999. The price of this device is definitely a little bit higher, but at the same time, Samsung has given this device all the necessary features any consumer needs nowadays. I would give this device a big thumbs up, I think, from my side. If you're buying S20, S20 Plus or S20 Ultra, there is a small difference, but you'll be happy with either of them. That's all for this video, guys. If you like this video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate that. Soon I'll be doing a camera comparison of this device with iPhone 11 and a lot more videos on S20 series. So stay tuned and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye. Peace out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.